Hey, what's going on everyone? It is Justin from Precision Camera again. And for today's video, we're gonna actually be teaching you how you can do different types of looks using just one light. Doesn't matter if you're using a strobe or a speed light, just one light with you in the field and you can achieve plenty of different looks. And today we're gonna actually show you a few different ones and ways you can use modifiers to achieve the look you're going for. Today we're at Austin 360 and we're in a parking garage, and let's jump right into it. All right guys, like I said, we're out here in Austin at 360 and today we're shooting with Alyssa again. Before we get right into it, I do want to just kind of give you a rundown on the setup we're using. So today I'm using a Profoto B10, but like I was saying earlier, you do not have to use a strobe. You can use something like a speed light. A Godox 8200 would be great. An FJ 400 by Westcott would actually be really good. Today, since it's super bright outside, I would recommend using something with high-speed sync, at least for the look that we're going for. Right here, I have the Rapid Box switch by Westcott as well, medium. I believe that is a 36-inch, so that's gonna give my light a nice spread and soften it up a lot. I have a Manfrotto 10004 BC light stand right here. It's real lightweight, easy to just kind of pop it up. Please don't forget, if you're by yourself and you're shooting with a model and you have, expensive equipment up there with wind coming, please use a sandbag. No matter what brand it is, or if you have to weight any type of bag on there, use something to weight this down and you're gonna thank me later, trust me. And quick pro tip, guys, if you don't want to carry the weight with you, if you're going somewhere remote, for instance, if you don't want to actually carry that sandbag full, what you can do is just carry it with you empty, fill it with like rocks, stuff like that, and then just empty it on your way back. But what we're doing right now, I said we're using one light, but technically, if you want to count the sun, we're using two lights. And we're using the sun to backlight Alyssa right now. And this is cross-lighting it, so we get that nice ring around her, and then this is softening up her skin, filling in some of those shadows. Now, the look that I always use, and this is kind of my go-to, I like to raise it a little bit, have it kind of angled down so we can get a little bit of shadow fall off. And if that's not something that you like that look, if you don't like any shadows under here, you can always just put in a reflector, have your model hold it or have someone else hold it, prop it up for you, and it'll bounce some of that light back up. I did a little adjustment here. I just raised the light up a little bit and brought Alyssa forward. I tilted the head down to hopefully get a little bit more shadow under her chin. It might be a little difficult though, now that I'm talking about it, because the concrete's actually reflecting a lot of the light, but we're just gonna try this setup and we'll see how that goes. I showed you two ways you can actually use this light. It was one setup, but basically how you alter the angles and what you do with your model. You can get different type of look right there. You have to be careful when you're cross lighting, because if you don't light it properly, it's gonna look like you're using flash. Some people might like that look a lot. Me, I like to make it look as natural as possible. So the next setup I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be actually showing you how you can use an umbrella to accent the backlight. So basically it's gonna wrap around your model and look a little bit more natural as well. So once again, got another Westcott product out here. I got the Apollo 53-inch silver. What I'm doing right here, everyone, basically with the Profoto, it's called a hybrid mode. So what I'm doing beforehand is I'm exposing for the ambient, and then I'm exposing for her skin tones with the TTL mode on the remote. Now what that's doing is it's going to take an exposure for what it thinks is gonna be good for her skin, and then I back out, I throw it into manual mode, and then I can just adjust accordingly. Another reason why I shoot with Profoto to make it so much easier. Okay, so we just now finished shooting upstairs. I showed you how to do a little bit more natural looking light and then how to cross light and make it a little soft as well. Right now we're using a reflector right now, and my goal here is to actually black out the entire parking garage inside and get some harsh light on Alyssa with this modifier right here. But like I said, I want to darken the whole background, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to up my shutter speed pretty high. I want to leave my aperture at a 2.8 just about. That's what I like shooting at, so I'm just going to leave that alone. So shutter speed is going to be the one that I'm downing a lot, or upping a lot, sorry. everyone, now that is a wrap for today's shoot. Today I showed you how to use an umbrella, I showed you how to use a reflector, and then I also showed you how to use a softbox. Let me know if this is something that you use yourself, or if there's any other setups that you like to use with One Light setups. I will be linking all the products that we used down in the description down below, so make sure to check those out and support Precision Camera. Let us know what you guys think. If you want to see more technique videos, if this is something that you want to see us continue doing, we'll go out here and then we'll shoot some more content for you. Other than that, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.